What is the function of this machine rotating above it? A man who bought a car as expensive as a mop for free and a pin which has insects inside it, and why we don't get 10 whenever we cut our nails. To know cancer number 20. Do you know that when Bill Gates got married, not a single photo or video came on the internet? And the reason for this is that Bill Gates got married on Lanai Island in Hawaii, and that area he had booked everyone from the hotel, so that any media could avail the room here. And not only this, he also hired all the available helicopters nearby so that those people would not interfere with his wedding by helicopter. Naman in USA, a man bought a dress, that too for free. But the thing is that a man finally gave up his strength and said that he will pay for sex. And just like the real thing, after doing everything, he bought the dress. And after a few days, I came to know that it was a check page. And after that, I tried the phone number, but that too was not reachable, and the man has not been found till date. And in what way he checked again and did everything that too haven't found out till date. Do you know why dentist is important? If not, then just look at this photo. This guy doesn't have an eyebrow, but still, I can say with guarantee that the first thing you would notice is his teeth. After some time, you must have noticed the hybrid eyebrows only on my request, because Ismail is such a thing on which a person's eyes fall first. So one should always keep smiling. Just maintain it. You must have seen all the photos of our prime ministers on the internet, and now I will show you such a photo of our prime ministers, which means very few people have seen this photo of Sonia Gandhi, and this old photo of Modi, and this photo of Rahul Gandhi, and this photo of Manmohan Singh Ji with his children. Whatever photos I have shown of Mamata Banerjee, people these days have seen very few of them. Look at the photo of this camera. You must be wondering what happened to the camera. So let me tell you, this is the melted camera. There is a part, and a camera was recording the launch of a rocket. But during the launch, so much heat was released that the camera melted. And the most shocking thing is that this camera was about 500 meters from the launch pad. It was far away so that you can see in the photo, but still, this launch burnt the camera. So much song hit is generated while launching the pastel. Number 15. You must be aware of the town of Adarwise from Terminator movie. So are his two children. One of these children lived with his mother and the younger one lived with his father. And now you look at this photo, they are the same brothers. There is so much difference between them. Just the way they have been brought up, how different they look. This is Arnold's younger son who lives with him, and this is his elder son who lives with his mother. There is a hotel in Britain and Japan where you can stay almost for free. Here you are given food for free, and here you can stay as long as you want because only $1 is charged here. And their only condition is that they will stream you live on YouTube the whole night. This is their only condition, and if you believe in this, then you can stay here only. If you can keep looking at the price of $1, then don't vote. Recently, the weather in Moscow had deteriorated due to which fodder was not available for a village, and its milk production clip had reduced. But to find a solution to this, Moscow's some people used Bihar classes on cows and showed videos of lush green fields in Bihar, which made the village feel more relaxed than before. And the thing about all the earning is that after doing this, milk of the village goes to the farmers. National change came and started giving more than before. So this makes this video alike for the fact, which is one of the biggest coincidences of cricket. See in this photo every day for MS Dhoni. Both of them are at the same place. We are watching, and at the same time we are watching the decline and the case below. And in this match, both Virat and the case played very badly. Now, is this a coincidence or something else? Please tell us in the comment below. Rather, you will find the most tasteless food in the world. If you know about it, then it is called kun nayak, and this is a Japanese school. There is no test at all in it, which means there is not even a little bit. And that is why in English, it is called devil's tongue, which is the translation of kun nayak in all other languages. It is called something like this, which means tasteless. It is made by mixing potatoes with very high starter and water, due to which the paste does not come at all because there was something special in both the style and water. There is no structural or flavor button. Now I will tell you a story which will be very useful to you in your life. A man had gone for an interview and 3 interviewees were present there. So after seeing a lot of questions and decisions, the interviewer asked his final question, and it was that on the table. Pick up the glass which is kept and tell me that too without touching it. Then the man said, I can't see any glass here. Then the interviewer said, there is a glass in front of you, pick it up. Then the man said, there is no blast here. Sorry people, can I tell you something? When I couldn't see, the interviewer said in a slightly first-year tone, all 3 of us can see, so why can't you see? Then the man asked Pollard, because there is no glass here. So the interviewer got port trust, and he picked up a glass and said, here is the gas. And he and I and the other two interviewed started laughing, and the man said now he took the questions without touching me. Thank you, sir, like this. He made a photographer or set up the cameras and waited for about 64 days annual. Most waited for 2 months, one such. To take the photo, you might be wondering what is so amazing about it. If you turn it upside down, you will get the same shape. It is easy to make, especially if we talk about natural, because getting a sky straight like fit water is so easy. There is no and a little mistake can spoil the concept of the whole photo. This photo has been taken in a very excellent way. Look, this is straight and this is upside down, but still you cannot tell the difference. This is amazing photography. This photo deserves a like. It is very smart of ours. As you might know that whenever we go to the beach to enjoy the waves, a new member has to take care of all the things due to which the person is not able to enjoy properly. Its very smart thing is that whenever you go to the beach, carry 1 or 2 types of packets along with you and keep your belongings inside the type, and after that you can enjoy the beach properly without any problem of your belongings. Without worrying because no one checks the dial. Number 7. Now this bike that you see in your skin will seem a bit strange to you when you see it for the first time. And no matter how strange it may seem to you, this bike has been made to be an amazing bike. The thing is that these two were brothers, and one of them had lost his eyesight due to this. And for this reason, the other brother made such a bike in which his brother would feel as if he was riding the bike. And while riding the bike, he would also feel the same. Both the brothers will ride on such a bike which cannot be peeled by the wind, which a blind man can never fail. Number 6. Now when I'm going to show you the pen, perhaps you must have seen it because there are insects inside this pen. This unit was manufactured in such a way that a watertight fluid is filled in the pan, and after that the alive ones are put in it. Looted keeps these ones from dying till the right time, and due to it being, do not count it because people feel very good wearing it. And the way this ring is fixed while riding looks quite nice, although there is nothing special in it, but still, the price of this ring is very high. Do you wear slippers while riding a bicycle or bike? If yes, then you should not wear them. India Chem and Mota. While inside the collect, if anyone wears slippers and slippers while riding white, wearing Lotus is not a potato, and if you are also caught wearing them, then you should be punished. You will have to pay a fine of Rs. $1,000. And if you are caught doing this 3 to 4 times, you can be jailed for 15 days. And that is why you should not wear it. And it also increases the chances of an accident, which can put you at risk for your life. He did not wear this number 3. It is very amazing that how earlier there were accesses. They were not paid much. But before this, there is Amitabh Bachchan. There were such actors who were paid crores in this number 2. You have had one or the other in your life. You must have seen this shiny rotating thing above the factory. Then what is its purpose? If seen, it does not have any big purpose, but it is necessary to work. It is called wind turbine ventilator, which is used in the factory. So due to various types of tools and all this heavy machinery, a lot is generated here. And it will turn the people working there, and due to the increasing heat, they will not be able to do their work. And that is why these are installed hot. If the air is light, then it goes up. And there are jet airlines. And because of them, this air is sent out, and the environment inside such factories remains good, and people do not feel hot, and they are at normal temperature. If you can work comfortably, then God, you must have wondered at some time or the other that why there is no pain while cutting nails. Because whenever there is a small cut in our body, it hurts a lot. But why there is no pain while cutting nails and hair? There is a reason behind this, and that is that the nails and hair are made of dead cells which do not contain blood and are already 1.5. So whether you cut them or not, it does not matter, and the hair is completely there. Dead cells are formed, that's why you cut it completely. You will not feel any pain, but the nail is a little different. It is made of half dead and half alive, as much part of the nail grows. If we cut it, we will not feel pain. And the part which is the joint is made of skin, and it hurts when cut, because that part is made of alive and blood circulates in it. Share this video because you share such videos, but if you leave out the information in the video, then this video. Share this video with your family and friends. And as you can see, that the situation in our country is very bad due to the convent, then you and your loved ones will like the video very much. If you like the video, then do like it. Because if you watch it here, if you liked, then don't forget to subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon next to it. And thanks for watching this video.